by and take a look at the 2015 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, traction control, power lift gate, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD MP3 radio. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.